Hi, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and great. Today again I am here with very interesting topic. You all have learned about the vowels and the consonant. 5 letters A, E, I, O and U are the vowels and the remaining letters are consonant. Today we will learn more about this. Okay, so have a look. So today we will learn the concept of A and the. A and the. Here we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U and remaining letters B, C, D, F and G are consonant. So, vowel's best friend is an. Vowel's best friend an. And consonant best friend a. So, we use an before vowels and a use before consonant. An use before vowel and a use before consonant. And the is used with particular object. The is used with particular object or single object. So, what is this? Here we read bag, bag. Here, first letter is B and the B is consonant. So, we will use consonant's best friend A. Consonant best friend A. So, when we read letter A, so it says A. But A's phonic sound is A. But when we read, it says a bag, a bag. When first letter start or begin with consonant, we use a bag, a bag. So now read it. It's k, at, cat, k, at, cat. Again here is the first letter is consonant. When any word or letter start with consonant, yeah, or first letter is consonant, we use a. So here is a cat, a cat. Now read it. How we read it? Apple, apple. So here first letter is A and A is a vowel. A is a vowel. So here we use vowel's best friend an. Vowel's best friend an. So we read an apple. An apple. Now I'll show you some more examples of vowels. So it is egg. So again here is first letter is vowel. So we will use vowel's best friend an. Vowel's best friend an egg. An egg. Now I will show you more examples like now, what is this? This is umbrella. So here we use an umbrella. An umbrella. So here is ice cream. You all like ice cream, na? So here is first letter is I and I is also a vowel. So again here we use vowel's best friend an. Vowel's best friend an ice cream. So what is this? Ball. All ball. So here is first letter is B. So here B is a consonant. So here we use A. A consonant best friend. A ball. A ball. So here is an octopus. Octopus. So here is first letter is O, and O is also a vowel. So again here we use an octopus. An octopus. So how we read? Earth. Earth is our planet and we live on it. So Earth, it's a particular object or single object, means one earth. So here we use the. Here we use the earth. The is used with particular object or single object. I'll give you more example of the, like the sun, the moon, the Ganga, the Qutub Minar. When we have singular object, means वो एक one होती है और universal truth होता है, we use the. So you all are clear with the concept? Okay. We use A with consonant, and use with vowels, and the use with particular object. So now we'll see how to write A and the in notebook. First is ant, and here is first letter is vowel, so we use an ant. Next one is jug. First letter is J and J is consonant, so here we use a jug. A jug. Now next one is cup. First letter is C and C is consonant, so here we use a cup. Now next one is elephant, and first letter is E. E is a vowel, so here we use vowel's best friend an elephant. Now next one is owl. First letter is vowel, so here we use again an owl. Now next one is rat, and R is consonant, so here we use consonant's best friend a rat. You remember na, when we read a, it says a rat. Now next one is igloo, and first letter is vowel, again we use an igloo. Now next one is moon. Moon. Here is a universal object, so here we use the moon. Now next one is an. First letter is U and U is also a vowel, so here we use vowel's best friend an. Now last one is sun. Sun is one and it's a universal truth, particular object, so here we use the sun. So here we revise: an ant, a jug, a cup, an elephant, an owl, a rat, an igloo, the moon, an urn, and the sun.